Looks like they'll move things around here. Oh, he tries to force it in, and it's intercepted. Picked off by Reed Blankenship. And he takes this one back into the end zone. And the Eagles defense. From the gun, here's Williams. Pressure comes and down.
The football and not deliver downfield and take that sack. They've got to make sure that he's really into this game.
And they're going to get this beyond the 40. Versus he can only get this to about the 19. They'll go. Here's Williams. And it's incomplete. Off the play fake. Here's Hurts. Open man. That's Devontae Smith. Now he's free at the 35. Devontae Smith. Touchdown, Philadelphia. Devontae Smith. That football back here down late. Tough.
Now they've got to find a way to create a turnover or takeaway.
Again to Barkley out of the gun. And he's stopped after a game.
Allowed for great penetration as they stuffed that one behind the line of scrimmage.
They throw it out right complete. That one a backbreaker as they want.
You thought it was a bad call, didn't
I
you?
did, yes.
I think
you did too.
any normal person did. How about him picking it up, give him credit?
So it's a victory here for the